Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a sitting elephant. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and in a separate video I show you how to fold a shouting elephant. The folding sequence is very similar for this one, but it has a couple different steps right at the end, so I show you that in a separate video that I'll link to at the end of this one. But today I'll show you how to fold this. Now we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we'll valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring this right corner over to the left corner. Line those two corners up and then crease it all the way across. And then unfold. Next we're going to bring this upper right edge in to lie along this center crease we just made. And just make sure that lines up from top to bottom and crease it down. And do the same thing on the left side. Next we'll turn the whole model over. Next we'll bring this top point down to meet the bottom point, making a valley fold right across the middle here. Just line them up down there and crease it. Next we're going to valley fold this point back up. About right here. This one's done to taste, so you can just watch this first and then I'll show you a little closer. So we're going to valley fold it up about right there. Most important part is just making sure that this line stays vertical and lines up with this one. So fold it about that much. And then turn the model over. And now we'll bring this bottom point up to this point right here where the colors change. And then crease that. Next we're going to valley fold the entire model in half along this vertical line. We already have the crease in place, so just fold it over and then press it down firmly. Now for the next step, I'm going to pick this up and rotate it. And how you're going to do this is you'll grab this point here and then you're going to be pressing this way while holding this point. And it's going to slide this crease over this way a little bit on both sides. So I'll just show you how that works. So we just slide it about like that. Then you make these new creases. You can see it just angled this a little bit. Next we're going to make an inside reverse fold. So we're going to swing this point in through the center. And this is done to taste, so there's no reference point for this. But you'll swing this point through. Then close it back up. Again, this is done to taste, but once you have it closed up like this, you can kind of move it around. Fold it about like that. You see I have this edge parallel to this edge. Next we're going to make another inside reverse fold, swinging this point back up. This time it's going to start right from where these two edges cross. Swing the point up. And then start the crease there, and then we can swing it around to about here and then crease it down. And then for the final step, we're going to do a small inside reverse fold right on the end here, just so the tip of the trunk's not quite as pointy. Just flatten that out a bit like that. And then we're all done. Should be able to stand up on its own. And I'll post a link to this video showing the shouting elephant right here. Now, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. There will be a lot more tutorials in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.